Hello and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to get this single family cleaned up, a few last minute things fixed and replaced, and we're going to be getting this thing ready to rent. Everything major has been done, so there's just a few little odds and ends to fix up and replace a few things, clean up. This is going to rent for $15.50 a month plus utilities when it's all done. And I've already got some qualified candidates coming in. They've already applied, so this is going to go pretty quickly. And with that, let's get into this video. We've got all the bad spots torn out of the plaster and new sheetrock screwed in and first layer of mud on it. So that's the one wall. Here's the closet. And then there's some in this room here. Just some loose stuff that was able to be torn off and mudded, so we need another coat. Here we have the new vanity. See, I'm testing the water I'm testing to see if there's any leaks. So far so good. So here we have a little bit of an issue with the toilet. As you can see here, the floor kind of sinks down. It's kind of wobbly. So I need to shim this. These Johnny bolts here, as you can see, this one specifically, it's rusted right out and it's not tight at all. So this one I'm gonna have to cut off with a grinder. I'm going to pull the toilet off, put a new wax ring, new Johnny bolts, shim it up how it needs to be. Alright, there you go. Time to pull the toilet and get your gag reflexes ready. Shut off the water here. Empty the toilet tank. There you go, lovely. So we're gonna clean up that old wax ring, put on a new one, put new bolts in there, and set it back down. Got our new wax ring with Johnny bolt kit. First you put the plastic washer over this guy. Slide her in here. That's gonna hold it down to the flange. Now the wax ring sits right there. Now we'll set the toilet right back on there. Put down the metal washer first, and then the nut. Same thing over here. Next, we're gonna put some shims under this side because this side seems to be flush. Toilet shims. They're white. You slide them under until they're snug, and then you tighten down these Johnny bolts, and then you'll break off whatever's left. So actually, it looks like these are gonna go all the way under, at least there. Same with that one. But as you can see already, it's not moving at all. You want to keep even pressure on both sides. And definitely don't go too tight because you don't want to break this porcelain. That would be bad, real bad. There we go, she's all caulked up. Now we'll just clean this up a little bit. So here in the garage, you can see we've got some issues here with the concrete. Big massive hole here, and then a big crack that goes all the way down here. So I'm mixing up some concrete and I'm gonna fill in this hole and then the cracks, level it all out and should be good to go. Also in here, there's some electrical issues that need to be addressed. Some wires that are just sticking out. There's one here that's just hanging out. Don't know if it's live or what, but that needs to be terminated. Got our new door in here, 8x8 garage door, not insulated, but she light. We got the old door off, and we are trying to fumble our way through this installation here. Good thing we have a pro here. It's been a while since you've seen this kid on the channel, but he's back. One.
Yeah, I thought I have to adjust that.
The old springs were much bigger and heavier duty because this door was wooden and heavy. We got these little tiny guys here. There you have it. Put a lock on it and call her good. Got the backyard all fresh mowed, and all the weeds and brush that was overtaking it all cut down. All the trash cleaned up out of the yard. It's looking fresh. And quite a surprise over here once we took down all the brush. So we have a little goldfish pond or something. Had no idea this was here. There you have it. Everything's done. She's ready to rent, ready for someone to move in and call it home. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and thank you for watching. Bye.